to do it, got to do it.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have
Mama Ty
and
oh, I'm sorry. Want me to do it?
no.
Oh.
I mean you can do it.
Oh, okay. So hey guys, it's Mama Ty and Ja, and today we are having another seafood boil, and we're gonna be trying today our girls butter sauce. If you can see it, and this is Punky. Sorry, Punky. You can look her up on YouTube. PUNKYBRUS, and we are part of her Punky posse. And so we're gonna try her butter sauce today, guys. So we're gonna let her know how it is. We're gonna let y'all know how it is. Y'all can go get some of that butter sauce, and we are going to put her link in the description box below, right? So everybody can go get her sauce and all that jazz. All right, so we're gonna do a thumbnail, guys. And what we have today? I'm sorry, we have. Go ahead.
Crab legs, prawns. We have eggs. Lemons. We have corn.
I think you said it already.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, we got some snow crabs, some prawns, some corn on the cob, some boiled eggs, and yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and say a prayer, do a thumbnail, and dive in, right? All right. Let me see if I can move yours over, Josh, so we can't really see your food. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and say a prayer.
Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that we're about to receive our body. Amen.
Amen. All right. We got the thumbnail. What you gonna get?
Yeah.
I did one with the prawns last time. But I guess I'll do it again.
I was just gonna get.
Me too. Ready?
I didn't look at yours.
All right. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right, guys. I'm hungry.
I've been dealing with the
I didn't eat all day. I don't think you ate today, Ja, because Ja woke up late.
Yeah, I woke up late.
Punky, girl, we about to try your butter sauce, girl. I didn't even taste it on the seafood yet in my finger. Girl, you know I love you. Let's just stop and say that. Let me just stop and say before I start eating how much I love this girl. Like, it is so hard to get. I know I said it before. I'm gonna say it again. It is so hard to get support when you're trying to do YouTube. It's hard to get support from your own family, let alone people that you don't even know. But one thing I can say about her, we speak all the time. I'm gonna actually put a clip in this video so you can see what she says. It is so real. Like, we speak all the time. She's real. She's down to earth. Just listen to what she said about us.
Guys, a lot that's been going on, but yeah, y'all, I do have a shout out today. So I just want to give a huge shout out to Mama Ty and Ja. As you guys know, I did shout them out previously on my channel, and I personally love them. I love their bond. I love her kids. I love her. I speak to her all the time. I just want to say shout out to her. Yeah, their channel's bomb. The kids are super funny. I know she was recently keeping me posted about her son and how he was basically doing tryouts for, like, I think Disney and all of that. Y'all go check them out. He's so cute. And I like the oldest son too. She's nice. They eat all the food that everybody else is eating, seafood boils, all that jazz. And yeah, they have an Instagram. I think their Instagram is Mama Ty and Ja also. So yeah, just take a look at this clip. So yeah. As you guys see in the clip, they're super bomb. I'm gonna link all their links in the description box below. And if they do comment, I will be commenting. I will be pinning their comment. So yeah.
Yeah, y'all. So as you see, we speak all the time. She is so cool. She's so down to earth. I love her. And yeah, so guys, go support her. Even though, you know, she's trying to get us support, go support her. We need to support our black people in general, and we definitely need to lift each other up. And again, we love you, girl, and we about to taste this butter sauce. All right.
Yeah, I just tasted it with my crab.
Was it good, y'all?
Yeah.
All right.
I liked it.
All right, so my turn. Now, I look confused, I know. I'm gonna taste it with a crab leg. All right. And then, y'all, today we just gonna talk about what's about to happen with school, because school about to start, y'all. Ooh. And so in her butter sauce, well, let me just taste it first. I'm still talking. All right, here we go. Here we go. Girl. This is so different. It's not Cajun. It's not spicy. It's not sweet. It's like oregano and I don't know. It's like all the green stuff.
Like
it tastes really good, girl. I don't know what you got in here, but it tastes really good, girl. Yes. We definitely gonna put her link in the box below, guys, so you guys can all go ahead and check her out and definitely support her. Also, what was I about to say that fast? I lost it that fast. I don't know, y'all. I lost what I was about to say. But yeah. This butter is really good. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I done tried some. As y'all know, we try a lot. This is really good. So shout out to you. She's got a lot of good stuff in here. It's really good. Right now?
Guys, I'm looking for the crack. Because whenever you eat this part, it has a crack. Yeah.
It helps you get to it.
Yeah, it helps me open it up. Yeah. But today, there's no crack. No crack?
No crack? Crack it with your mouth, boy.
I will, but I thought it was going to be at least a crack, though.
Y'all, look at that. Must a whole bunch of seasoning and stuff in there, y'all, that I put in there. Ooh. I cannot wait. Look
Now
at
it has a
that.
crack.
Look at that drip, y'all. That girl knows she can cook. You talking about me? You talking about me with these shrimp? That's what I say.
I thought you were talking about the sauce and how she can make sauce.
That sauce is really good. I'm not even gonna lie. It's very different. Not like all the other ones you be tasting that's sweet, spicy, you know.
Yeah, but
This one is just like,
that was good, but
this is really good. And she got the real garlic in here. Cut up garlic. I don't know if you guys can even see it. Let me get some one here so you guys can see the garlic. I don't know. I don't know if you see them big chunks of garlic. Girl. This is really good. What is that?
oh, you said garlic sounds the name of vampires.
So y'all, let me tell you.
Putting that hole right there.
I know y'all missed us because we've been going for like a week or two. I know y'all missed us, but we got a lot going on. We got a lot of good things going on. And we've been just a little bit busy. We're gonna let y'all know about it soon. But on another note, we're gonna be recording today a few videos today, so yeah, y'all. So we gotta get our content back up. Woo. I'm almost choked.
Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I got a lot of meat out here today. More than I usually get. 'Cause I haven't did my tooth in a while, that's why.
Mm.
And the crab was begging for me to do it. That's why. Because it didn't have a crack, so it wanted me to. Okay.
Right. Oh, my back is hurting right now for some reason. I haven't had back pain.
In a while?
Yeah.
I just had to get.
I think every time we eat crab legs, my back hurt. Oh wow. Weird.
Yeah.
Anyway. Y'all, so school's about to start. Are you guys ready? Are you ready, Dad? Are you ready? School's about to start. You starting 4th grade virtually. How do you feel about that?
Bad.
You feel bad?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Tell me.
Because my friends are at school.
Your friends are not they're not gonna be at school either. They're gonna be virtual too.
Yeah, but all of us are supposed to be at school.
Oh, okay. I know what
but
you
we
mean.
can't because
Cause you gotta be virtual.
yeah.
Yeah. I get it. So have you all been talking about that? Have you and your friends been talking about it? Like,
Well,
that y'all gonna be virtual, yada yada yada.
Well,
have any of y'all talked about it?
well, not all my friends. Just one.
Okay. Just one? What y'all talking about? Like y'all gonna miss each other? Right? Okay.
Don't like when it happens, y'all.
What?
That you can never get the me out sometimes.
Yeah.
There we go.
Extra work.
I learned how to do it. I crack this, and I pull that out, and then I pull it out. I learned how to do it.
No.
That's the trick, guys.
Let me tell y'all, John know how to eat some crab legs, y'all. He definitely do. Y'all know I make a mess all the time. Got my other ring on. Got my other ring. Y'all wanna know what that is? That's blackberry cranberry juice, y'all.
So good.
Look at all the good stuff she got on here. She got some good stuff in her sauce, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
Guys, I knew it would be good, but not this good.
Right. I didn't know what I was gonna expect. Because every time I see her with it, it just looks so different than all the other butter sauces, you know? So I didn't know what I was gonna expect.
Yeah.
But it's really good.
But when I watched it, I never paid attention to the bowl. I thought it will look like a little bit like Belo's, but it's different, and it looks different. I thought it was the same, but it's a little bit better.
It's much better. I don't like the flavor of that one.
Belo's? Yeah. These past,
I like it. I just don't like I think the flavor.
yeah, these past few months.
Flavor gets overbearing.
Yeah, these past few months that we've been doing this, I finally found out what you meant. Cause I don't like the flavor that much.
Yeah. Sorry, y'all. We got what's the next challenge we're gonna do?
Maybe
Well, we gotta do another Holland.
challenge. We might,
Well,
and I really want to do a seafood SMR, guys.
you do?
Yeah.
We gotta find a quiet space though.
Yeah.
Cause in our house, it's loud no matter what.
So.
You need like a real quiet space. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, much food is good. This sauce is really good. Like really, really good.
Guys, I'm thinking about what mommy said, and I kind of figure
What mommy
out
say?
about the quiet space.
About the what?
Quiet space. Ooh, guys, mommy has the same one.
Yeah, I can't wait to get my hair done.
When we first started, she opened it and she got this.
I did, yeah.
When we first started the video.
As always, y'all, if y'all wondering where Poo-Poo at,
Oh.
y'all should know where he at. He took his crab legs in the room to play
His game.
his game. As
Like
always.
always.
As always, y'all. I can't wait to tell y'all all the good stuff that we got going on, y'all. Like, seriously. Right? Right? I'm going to share the good news with them. Soon come, y'all. Soon come. Soon come. I'm going to tell y'all all about it. What's wrong?
Huh?
What's wrong?
No, just,
We had lemons and didn't even use them.
I forgot about
I think I used it once.
I'm gonna use it. I forgot about it.
Yeah, I see that.
It's so much harder now to take this off for some reason. Why did you get so
Y'all, her
much
sauce
harder?
is really good. Her butter is really good. I'm not even gonna hold you.
But guys, a couple weeks ago, this happened. I don't know if I told you already, but this happened to my finger. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's a red spot. I was opening crab and it hurt me.
If y'all new here, I'm sorry. We gotta start saying that in the beginning. If y'all new here, please hit the like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell on the right so you can get notification every time we post a video. If y'all are new here. And share, y'all. Share these videos on your social media. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you guys got.
Take it back from back. I was just doing a sauce routine.
That was good, Pooh? Mm-mm. How you like her sauce? Mm-hmm. Her sauce is really good, guys.
It's really good with that lemon.
Mm-hmm. Her sauce is really good with the lemon. Ooh, that was good. Mm-hmm.
I just tried it without the sauce just now. Ah, sorry.
What?
The crab. I mean, the crab with lemon by itself. Don't try it, Mommy. It's super sour. And for y'all sakes, don't do it. It's really, really sour. In case y'all like sour stuff.
Yo, this seasoning on this shrimp is life, y'all. Life. I did that. Anyway, y'all, I know we're not saying much. We are really hungry. Hungry. Like, hungry.
Lemon rain.
My fingers burning too. Mama.
I tried it without the sauce again. Super sour. But it's so good.
Mm-hmm.
And you said something about your finger?
Mm-hmm.
No.
My finger was hurting.
But you're supposed to crack it and pull it out, and that's how you get the meat.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I just found out just now, a
Oh.
few minutes ago.
All right, I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's your crab.
Oh, yeah, you were right, though.
Yeah.
Because now I'm about to struggle. All right?
Yeah. I forgot all about this. I was about to ask you for one of your crabs.
Anything you want to talk about before we go?
Okay.
We gotta get ready to go.
Well, I just want to say,
We gotta record another one.
yeah, we gotta record. But I just want to say, if that subscribe button is red, y'all doing something wrong. It should be
Facts,
gray. Y'all should hit it. It will be gray on the side, notification bell, so y'all can get every time we post. And
Facts, y'all.
I just want y'all to hit that notification bell, comment, and please share.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Support, right?
Yeah.
Gotta support each other. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Y'all, I'm just making a whole mess.
Yeah.
Right, y'all. We're gonna have to get ready to sign out.
No more crap.
How many minutes we have?
Forward.
We're gonna get ready to sign out, y'all. I hope that all you parents is ready for Tuesday. Today is Friday. I hope you guys are ready for Tuesday. And yeah.
And by the way, guys, tomorrow I really want pizza. I'm trying to start this new. Not on not tomorrow. I mean Tuesday because I'm gonna try a new thing. Because at my school we had pizza on Tuesdays.
Oh, so you want to act like you're still in school?
Yeah, correct.
I'll get it. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Hope you guys have an awesome
Weekend.
Labor Day if you're still celebrating it. I know we're not.
It's Labor Day.
Labor Day is on Monday, but I'm not. I normally cook out every year, all that.
But we can't.
But I'm only celebrating Juneteenth going forward. So I won't be cooking out this year. But I hope you guys have an awesome Labor Day if you are. And again, if you're new here, hit that notification bell on the right. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And we love y'all. Be safe. Stay blessed. We love y'all.
Peace.